Hello everyone, I am Hansana Sandamini from IJSE GDSE72 batch. Welcome to the demonstration of my second semester final project. This project is a full stack web application named TaskFlow, a comprehensive task management system designed for freelancers. Let's look at the technologies that power this application. For the backend, I use Java with the Spring Boot framework to providing a RESTful API for handling CRUD operations. Spring Data JPA with Hibernate for object relational mapping and database interaction. Spring Security for authentication and authorization that's securing the API endpoints. The project connects, the project connects to a MySQL database for data persistence, and it uses the ModelMapper library for efficient data transfer between layers. For the front end, I used HTML, CSS, and Fetch for making HTTP requests to the backend API. And I use Bootstrap for its styling and building a responsive user interface. Let's begin by creating an account. I will go to the sign up page. The form includes fields for name, email, and password. User role identified by the selected purpose. After create an account successfully, then navigate to the login page. Also this time, the system sends email to inform account created success message. Now I click forgot password. Then I enter a valid email that registered in TaskFlow. The system sent a verification code to email. After verifying code, I can enter a new password and confirm it. Now I will log in as a freelancer. After logging successfully, then navigate to the Freelancer dashboard. Freelancer can see all tasks in the system. These tasks shown by time in descending order. Freelancers gave app notifications and emails for posted a new task by any client. Freelancers can propose for the task. Freelancer can view submitted proposal, and freelancer can only edit or delete the proposals in pending status. Freelancer gave email and app notification when client accept or reject proposals. And freelancer can filter tasks. This system reminds the deadlines of tasks. Freelancer can payments and this payment is in held status. Now I submit the work. After submit the work, payment set to completed status and notify that payment received. Freelancer can see reviews for themselves. In the profile section, I update profile picture. I also update profile with bio and skills. The freelancer dashboard shows the count of my proposals, active tasks, accepted and rejected proposals, complete tasks, and monthly earnings. The pie chart shows according to active and completed tasks, and recent submitted tasks also shown. Now I will log out and log in as a client. Client can post a new task. When client posts a new task, it will notify via email and app notifications to all freelancers in the system. Client can view proposals and accept or reject them. Here, the task named post system has two proposals. Now, I accept this one. Then other one rejected automatically. After accepting a proposal, client and freelancer can chat, and client can pay for the task. I used Stripe for payment integration. The client can pay securely using Stripe checkout. The payment keep in the system until freelancer submit work. This also notify via app notification. After submit a work, client can review freelancer. Client can view reviews and delete it. And also clients can view freelancer profiles. The client dashboard shows the counts of my task, complete task, all proposals, accept and reject proposals, and also show recent submitted proposals. The pie chart shows according to proposal status. Next, I will log out and log in as an admin. Admin can add task categories. And also admin can edit or delete it. Admin can see all tasks in the system. Admin can delete tasks when not assigned to freelancer. Also admin can see all proposals in the system and also can delete it. Admin can see all payments in the system. Admin can all reviews in the system and delete it. Admin can see all user profiles in the system. Admin can edit user profiles with correct password. Admin dashboard shows stat cards and a bar chart. Admin can generate report and it downloading in PDF format. Now let's dive into the code structure, starting with the backend. I have config package which contains important configuration classes. For example, this is where I might set up coarse filters to allow my frontend to communicate with the backend. The entity package contains our JPA entities which map directly to our database tables. The repository layer consists of interfaces that extend Sprint Data JPA's JPA repository, providing immediate CRUD operations without boilerplate codes. The business logic is encapsulated within the service layer. Here, this class annotated with service annotation that implement the core functionalities and interact with the repositories. The controller layer houses our REST controllers. These are annotated with REST controller and request mapping annotations and they expose our API endpoints. They handle HTTP requests, call the appropriate service methods and return responses. I also have a DTO package for data transfer objects which are used to control the data exposed by the API, ensuring we don't send sensitive information. And finally, the util package for containing configurations for JWT authentication. In the front-end code structure, I use HTML for user interfaces. The style folder modular style sheets. The heart of the application logic is in the JS folder. I have created JavaScript modules for each major features. I use Fetch API extensively within these JS files to communicate with the backend. Suite alerts are used across the board, enhancing the user experience significantly. In conclusion, TaskFlow is a secure and scalable freelancer task management system with all the essential features such as tasks and proposals management, payments, reviews, and live chat using WebSockets. Thank you for watching.